मैं तुम्हारा क्या लगता हूँ? Who am I to you? Who am I to you? मुझे तुमसे कुछ कहना है. I want to say something to you. I want to say something to you. क्या मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले सकता हूँ? Can I take a day off? Can I take a day off? क्या कुछ गड़बड़ है? Is there anything wrong? Is there anything wrong? मैं पक्का आऊँगा. I will come for sure. I will come for sure. उसने मेरा मूड खराब कर दिया. He spoiled my mood. He spoiled my mood. मैं आज बहुत थका हुआ हूँ. I am exhausted today. I am exhausted today. हम सब जा रहे हैं. All of us are going. All of us are going. वह आने वाली है. She is about to come. She is about to come. मुझे घूमने का शौक है. I am fond of traveling. I am fond of traveling. मेरे मुद्दों से दूर रहो. Stay away from my matters. Stay away from my matters. बुरा मत मानो. Don't get offended. Don't get offended. मैं कभी पैसे उधार नहीं देता. I never lend money. I never lend money. हम एक ही कक्षा में पढ़ते थे. We were in the same class. We were in the same class. तुम बेवजह परेशान हो रहे हो. You are stressing out for no reason. You are stressing out for no reason. आमने सामने बात करो मुझसे. Talk face to face with me. Talk face to face with me. उसने मुझे बुरी तरह से डरा दिया. He scared the hell out of me. He scared the hell out of me. तुम नहा क्यों नहीं लेते? Why don't you take a shower? Why don't you take a shower? उसे साफ साफ मना कर दो. Give him a flat refusal. Give him a flat refusal. उसने आज कितना मुनाफा कमाया? How much profit did he make today? How much profit did he make today? तुमने मेरा फोन क्यों नहीं उठाया? Why didn't you pick up my call? Why didn't you pick up my call? मैं बाथरूम में था. I was in the bathroom. I was in the bathroom. मेरा फोन साइलेंट मोड पर था. My phone was on silent mode. My phone was on silent mode. तुम बाद में नहीं बता सकते थे. Could you not tell it later? Could you not tell it later? मैं 2 महीने से तैयारी कर रहा हूं. I have been preparing for 2 months. I have been preparing for 2 months. मैं खुद कर लूंगा ये काम. I'll do it myself. I will do it myself. मोबाइल चार्ज पर लगा दो. Put the mobile on charge. Put the mobile on charge. चलो घूमकर आते हैं. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. मैं तुमसे तंग आ चुका हूं. I am fed up with you. I am fed up with you. उसने मेरे साथ बहुत गलत किया. He really did wrong to me. He really did wrong to me. तुम इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकती हो? How could you be so irresponsible? How could you be so irresponsible? वह रंगे हाथों पकड़ा गया. He was caught red-handed. He was caught red-handed. तुम कल पार्टी में क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you show up at party yesterday? Why didn't you show up at party yesterday? मुझे कभी कम मत समझना. Don't ever underestimate me. Don't ever underestimate me. वे लोग अब यहां नहीं रहते. They don't live here anymore. They don't live here anymore. किसी ने तुम्हारा नाम नहीं लिया. No one took your name. No one took your name. मैं आज सुबह जल्दी जगा. I woke up early this morning. I woke up early this morning. मुझे यहीं उतार दो. Drop me off here. Drop me off here. उसने गुब्बारा फोड़ दिया. He popped the balloon. He popped the balloon. एक बार मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me once. Look at me once. क्या उससे तुम्हारी कोई दुश्मनी है? Do you have any enmity with him? Do you have any enmity with him? मैं आटा गूंथ रही हूं. I am kneading the dough. I am kneading the dough. लाइट चली गई. The power went off. The power went off. तुम्हारी परवरिश अच्छी हुई है. You have had a good upbringing. You have had a good upbringing. मुझे अभी भी नींद आ रही है. I am still feeling sleepy. I am still feeling sleepy. बेहतर होगा कि तुम मेरी बात सुनो. You had better listen to me. You had better listen to me. मैं थोड़ी देर में आता हूं. I come in a while. I come in a while. मुझसे गर्मी सहन नहीं होती. I can't stand heat. I can't stand heat. उसने ये जानबूझकर किया. He did it on purpose. He did it on purpose. मैं तुम्हारी हरकतों से तंग आ गया हूं. I am tired of your antics. I am tired of your antics. मुझ पर हुक्म मत चलाओ. Don't boss me around. Don't boss me around.